Searching for insulation faults in large installations is difficult on its own, but nearly impossible when they are energized. Until now. We have developed a method for locating insulation faults in energized TRMS system using the MD9273 clamp meter with an integrated 128 Hz notch bandpass filter. The method entails injecting a 128 Hz signal generated by an Eurotest multifunctional installation tester in the system's grounding system using the two-clamp method and then clamping relevant wires with MD9273. Of course, the clamp meter needs to have the 128 Hz feature enabled before starting the troubleshooting. To speed up the process, more than one wire can be clamped around. MD9273 has a generous jaw opening, so that shouldn't be too difficult. And being handheld, it can reach in even the most cramped spaces. Though, it can't think for you or keep you safe, so put on appropriate protective equipment before sticking your hand where it otherwise shouldn't be.